ఎవరా అని ఏమైంది guys, am I audible for everyone? So today topic will discuss about read the data from the keyboard. Okay, so I guess this is our seventh session, right? If anyone is not uh, joined in the previous sessions, so like in the we have the ITV YouTube channel, right? There in the live section all the videos are available. If anybody is not joined, just go through it and then I can revise those classes, and then this is our I guess the sixth or seventh session actually. Okay, today topic name is read the data from the keyboard. Read the data from the keyboard. Okay, read the data from the keyboard. Are you guys clear with my point? So basically you can take the data from the keyboard in three ways. One is scanner class, and second one is buffered reader, buffered reader and I would say buffered reader, and third one is I can say command line arguments. Command line arguments. Okay, generally like scanner class and buffer reader, these two are predefined classes. Okay, so like I would say this is the predefined class, right? For example, the purpose of scan class we don't know exactly. So, for example, if you purchase one fridge in the market, so they will provide one a description, right? They will provide one user manual. There in the user manual, all the instructions will be there, like how to use the fridge. Okay, so these kind of instructions they will provide. Similarly, Java is also our language or some others company language. Java is also some others company language. Which company? Initially Sun Microsystem, later Oracle company. Now Java is also Oracle company language, not our language, right? So these are predefined classes. So how will you know each class is purpose and how the class is working? So simply you can go to the document, that is Java SC document. You can look for the Java SC document. This is the document, so which is similar to user manual. Here all the classes are available. So now we are discussing about the scanner class, right? So scanner class basically which is available in java.util package. Simply can come to the java.util package. These all are the predefined packages actually. Okay, like the JDK people already they introduced some predefined classes. So they are, I would say, they created packages. Within the packages, if you open any package, if you open java.sql this is the package name. Inside the package we have the like interfaces and classes. Interfaces and classes. Okay, generally now we are discussing about the util package, scanner class. Click on the java.util package. Then if you see here, these are the interfaces and these are the class. If you scroll down, where we have the scanner class. Scanner class. If I click on the scanner class, you are getting some data, right? You are getting some data. So here, if you read this all this is the scanner class and this is the scanner class example. A scanner class breaks into input into tokens using a delimiter pattern, which by default matches the white space. The resulting token may then be converted into the values of different types using the various next methods. Okay, if I scroll down, this is the object created. We need to create the object like this. Okay, this is the method for taking the integer as the input. Okay, And then come down, if I come down, these all are the methods actually. Close method, delimiter method, okay, has next method, and then where we have the has next byte method, and has next is the method, and has next short method, okay, locally method, next method. These all are the methods actually. Okay, now my requirement is I need to read the data from the keyboard, and then I need to perform some operation, and then I need to print the result. I need to print the result, right? Okay. So simply what I will do, I will go to my files, demo. Here I will take one file. The file name I am taking as the test.java. Test.java. Okay. Public class. The class name is test. Okay. And this is the scope of the class. And here we need to take the main method, public static void main. I will increase some font size. Okay, void main, and can mention the string args. Okay, and from here to here, this is the scope of the main method. This is the scope of the main method. So inside the main method, scan class is the predefined method, right? Scan class is the predefined class. So how will you use predefined classes? We need to create the object for the predefined classes. So new is the operator, and the scanner class, and we are taking data into the system, right? So that's why we need to mention system.in, and then uh, which meaning the object got created inside the heap memory. Okay, this object we cannot directly reuse anywhere in the program. That is the reason we are this object we are storing in some reference variable. That reference variable we can give anything. In my case I am giving sc as the reference variable, and then this reference variable data type is the scanner. Okay, this is clear. Generally scanner is the predefined class. So for writing this program, did I by heart anything? I'm not by heart anything. So I will go to this document, and there this is the similar to user manual. Already everything is available. Okay. So in the user manual, already everything is available. I am simply using this user manual, and based on that, I am writing the program. Are you guys clear with my point? So in coming days also, you guys also we need to follow the same process. Okay. We have the user manual. So scanner class, I'm not by heart anything. I'm simply coming to this document, and here we have the scanner class, and the everything, the scanner class purpose, and what are the methods we have in the scanner class. Everything all are available in this. This is API. So basically, all the information already available in this API, right? Classes, if you go to the scanner class, so everything, uh, like how many methods are available, and each method purpose, everything, all the information are available in this document. Okay, I'm using that class here. How can I reuse that class? Simply you can create the object for the predefined class. Why I am mentioning system dot meaning we are taking data into the system. Okay, then this object we cannot reuse anywhere in our programs. That's where we will store in one reference variable, and every reference variable should contain data type. Okay, so this reference variable data type is the scanner is the data type, scanner is the data type, right? Okay, here you guys tell me, this is the predefined class, right? This is coming from which package? This is coming from java.util package. Java.util package. So should I mention import package or not? Should I write import package or not required? Hmm? This already I am using, right? meaning I have the requirement. Okay, so we need to mention the import statement. Okay, import statement. So the import java dot util package, and you can specifically you can mention the class name, or else you can mention star also. You can mention star meaning all the classes available under the util package. You can access all the classes. You can access all the star meaning all the classes you can access under the util package. Okay, under the util package. Okay, fine. As of now, what I did simply I am taking predefined class, which is the scanner class. I'm creating the object. This object I cannot reuse anywhere. That's why I am storing this object in one reference variable. This reference variable data type is the scanner. This is the new operator. Okay, at the time of operators concept we will discuss about the new. Basically, new is the operator which is used to create the objects. Okay, as of now we are creating the one object. That object we are storing in the reference variable. Okay, my requirement is uh, take two values from the keyboard and do addition operation and display the results. So this is the thing. So in that time, if you want to read the integer values from the keyboard, if you want to read the string values from the keyboard, so everything, if you want to read anything, there some predefined methods are available. So if you come, you can go to the java.util package. Simply you can go to the scanner class, click on the scanner class, and then you can scroll up where we have the predefined methods. These all are the methods. These all are the methods, right? So if you scroll down, has next double is the method, has next is the one method. Okay, next we have the next method. So if you read this one, next method finds and return the next complete token from this scanner. Next we have the next byte method, next double method, next float method. So we have the data types, right? 80 data types. So you can read integer values, you can read float values, you can take double values, you can take byte values. These are the predefined methods. So in my case, I want to take integer values. So for that purpose, simply sc dot meaning dot is also an operator which is used to access the class members. Okay, each thing has the different story. Dot is also one operator which is used to access the class member. Class member meaning this sc holding all the predefined methods. So all the methods are available in this reference variable only. Among those all the methods, I am accessing only specific method, that is next enter. Are you guys clear with my point? What I'm saying? So SE is the variable which is similar to container, which is holding all the predefined methods. Among, for example, it is holding some 100 methods. Among those 100 methods, I am calling specific nextInt method. Why? Because my requirement is I need to addition. I need to take the two values from the keyboard. I need to perform addition, and I need to display the results. My requirement is based on the integers, so that's why among those 100 methods I am calling meaning I am using nextInt method only. Okay, so this nextInt method also I am storing in some reference variable name, and then I mention some, the data type is the integer. Okay, here I will mention for understanding purpose I will message some dummy message, system dot out dot println, and here I would like to pass some dummy message. Enter a value. Enter a value is okay, like this I am passing. some dummy message. Okay, this is not mandatory. For understanding purpose you can write. Okay, similarly this is the one number we have taken from the keyboard, right? Similarly you can take second number also, same thing, sc dot next int. Okay, you can store this one in some reference variable name, and this reference variable name is int, and the same statement I am copying from here. I'm copying from here and then I will paste here. Here I will change to b value. Okay, and then now I need to do the addition operation. So simply int sum equal to a plus b, and then the same thing I want to display this variable system dot out dot println, and then here I will mention some addition of two numbers. Okay, addition of two numbers is I'm doing some concatenation, which is sum. This is clear, guys. Anyone is having any questions in this area? So simply this is one our custom class. In our custom class, so based on the requirement, we will use the predefined classes also. Scanner is also predefined class, and we are using this predefined class. So how to know about the purpose and how many methods are available in predefined classes? So simply that's why they has provided one user manual. This is similar to user manual. There everything is available. You can simply go there and then you can check not only nested method. These all are the methods available. These all are the methods. So based on the requirement, we will use the methods. Next byte, next double, next float, next int. These all are predefined methods only. Okay, based on the requirement, we will use all the methods. Okay, I'm saving the file and then can come to the folder. You can open command prompt wherever the file is available in the file location. You should open the command prompt. I'm opening my command prompt, and then the next process is first thing is we need to compile the file. For compilation purpose, the command is javac your file name test.java, and then if you see the file has successfully compiled, meaning it will check the syntax mistakes. Is there any syntax mistakes? Here it will tell to us the mistakes are is in from exact with the line numbers. It will display to us. Okay, so our file is compiled successfully, and then now we have to execute. No need to mention dot class. Why? Because JVM mother language is the dot class. No need to specifically mention dot class. Okay, Java and then text, and then if you see enter a value, if I give the enter a value 10, and then it will ask the value is 20. So if you see, it is doing the addition operation and it is displaying the result. It is displaying the results. Are you guys clear with my point? This is with respect to numbers. So you can try with respect to double, with respect to float. So any data type, the process is the same. This is the predefined class, and all the methods are available in this reference variable. So among those 100 methods, we are using specifically next into method. How will you call? So that's where we have the dot. Dot is the operator. Dot is the operator. Okay. So we are accessing the among those 100 methods. We are accessing the specifically next into method, and then this next into method we are storing in some a reference variable, and similarly, and we are doing the addition operation, and then we are doing the we are giving the results. Okay, we are giving the response. So same like with respect to strings, take two values from the keyboard and take two strings. We'll take with the two strings from the keyboard, and join two strings and display the join two strings and display the result. Okay. So in the case number two, we are seeing about strings with respect to string. In case of, I would say, in case of strings, the method is we need to take the next method. Okay, next method we will use the next method. So simply I am coming here, and then I will mention some next method, and then this is the one method, and this is the one method, and we are taking two values, and we are not you can simply come here. Okay, I can read the data, like I can mention a, and then I can mention string value. Okay, similarly system dot out dot println. Okay, I can save the file. There can run the file. The data type is we need to mention the string. The data type we need to mention the string, and here also can mention with the string. You can save the file, and where we have the document as well. This is with respect to integers, and this is with respect to strings. Okay, so simply can come here. Now can mention here, and then here we can mention some. The data type is string, full name equal to a plus b. A plus b, and then the same thing here you can mention full name some equal to, you can mention this one, this variable name you can mention here. Okay, I'm copying this one, I'm the variable name I'm passing. I'm saving this file, and then you can simply come here, and then you can compile the file. Okay, and then you can execute the file. So which is asking for I'm giving some Krishna and Bangalore. So I'm getting like full name. In first time I am giving the Krishna, in second time I am giving the Bangalore. So finally I am getting the Krishna Bangalore. So this is with respect to strings, and previous case that is with respect to integers. Okay. So this is the one way to read the data from the keyboard, and where we have the second way, buffer reader. So this buffer reader also predefined class actually. Buffer reader also predefined class actually. So this will we will discuss at the conditional statements topic. Conditional statements topic we will discuss buffer reader. Okay, this one we will discuss at the strings topic. Strings topic. So where we will discuss going forward strings topic, right? At the time we will discuss that one. This is like totally we have the three ways: scanner class, buffer reader, command line arguments. Command line arguments. Are you guys clear with my point? So next thing is these are the some questions like the topics, whatever the topics we have covered so far. So I will share these questions in the group also. Everyone go through these all the topics, like you can cross check your knowledge. Okay, that is all about in chapter 2. In the chapter 3, we will discuss about the operators. Operators. Okay, these are the operators. We have arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, assignment operators, new operator, and dot operator. So I said right, dot is the one operator which is used to access the class members, and new is also one operator. New is one keyword, and it is basically it is the keyword. New is the keyword, and it is used to create the objects. Okay, so similarly dot is also an operator which is used to access the class members, okay. So generally operators main purpose is operators is a symbol which tells to the compiler to perform some operation, okay. Operator is a symbol which tells to the compiler to perform some operations, okay. So let's we'll discuss about the operators. Generally, operator is a symbol which is used to some operations. Some operations. Okay. 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 In the operators, generally we have the like arithmetic operators, and next we have the assignment operators, Next we have the uh, conditional or relational operators. Conditional, you can say relational operators. Relational operators. Next we have the logical operators. Next we have the new operator. Next we have the dot operator. These are the operators we have. Generally, arithmetic operators already you guys aware of it, like in from 10th or 9th, 8th standard 6th. We are doing some calculations, right? Like addition, subtraction, and then I can say multiplication. Next, where we have the division, where you have the division, then where you have the modulus, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. These all the symbols comes under the arithmetic operators. These all the symbols comes under the arithmetic operators. Okay. Okay, we'll see one by one. So I will come to the program. Okay, I'm doing the addition operation. The same file I'm using. Arithmetic operators. Title is arithmetic operators. Okay, arithmetic operators. So where we have the symbols are like a plus symbol, minus symbol, uh, multiplication, division, and modulus. Okay, so simply now if I take the two numbers, int a equal to some 10, we'll go with the 10, and some int b equal to some 20, some 20. If I want to do the addition operation, we can use the like this. Like for example, we can mention with the int sum equal to a plus b. Okay, a plus b, right? We can mention like this. Meaning, this is the symbol which is doing the addition operation. So simply I am mentioning system dot out dot println, system dot out dot println, and here I will mention sum. Here I will mention sum. Okay. So generally, hmm, I will mention sum, then you will get the result. So with respect to minus, for example, so we can do in two steps like this, or else you can do in single step also like this. System dot out dot println, system dot out dot println. So a is holding the value 10, right? So a minus we can directly mention 2. Then directly we'll get the result as the 8. Okay, instead of doing the two steps, you can directly take as the single step also. So similarly, I can do with addition. I can do with addition. So I'm come down. I will paste here, and here I can mention with some multiplication. Multiplication. I will say multiplication, and similarly I can do with division, and then similarly I can do with modulus as well. Modulus. Same, and then I can do modulus as well. Okay. If I save the file and then I will increase the font. I'm saving the file. This package is not required. I'm saving the file. You can simply come to the command prompt. You can press up arrow, and then the file has successfully compiled, and Java tester Java. If you see here, 38, 20, and 5. So modulus meaning it will always fetch the quotient. It will always fetch the, I can say, what will happen in generally. I'll show you through the page. Now get the correct of it. Okay, we're discussing about the arithmetic operators. If we take some values 10, and if you are divided by 2, and I will say 2 5 10, right? 2 5 10, 2 5 10, 0. Okay, so this is the remainder and this is the quotient, right? So this remainder will fetch in modulus, and in the division it will fetch the quotient. It will fetch the quotient. So that is the only the difference between the modulus and division. Modulus and division. Are you guys clear with my point? So arithmetic operators main purpose is which is used to perform the some arithmetic operations are like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. And modulus. Okay, similarly, there we have the assignment operators. So assignment operators. So this is also very interesting actually. So daily, like for example, in your like child age, your parents are giving money to you. You can assume like that. Okay, this is you, and here your parent. Your parent daily is giving like 100 rupees to you for savings and anything. Your parents are daily you are giving 100 rupees. What you are doing, you are saving the amount in your home. So for that purpose, you purchase one kiddie bank. There some toys will be there, right? So which is similar to kiddie bank. There itself you are storing your amount. Okay, this is the kiddie bank. You can assume. This is the kiddie bank. You can assume. Your parents are giving daily 100 rupees. You are storing the kiddie bank, and I am mentioning this kiddie bank name is some X name. This kiddie bank name is the X. So the first day this is happens in first day. Your parent the first day 100 rupees is given to you. You are showing the same amount in your kitty bank. The kitty bank name is the X 100. This is in first day. The second day again your parent. This is second day. Again your parent is giving 100 rupees to you. Then the same thing you also added to the same kitty bank, right? The same the process which is happens all the day. So how will you write the programmatically? This is the day number 2, and where we have the day number third day, and the third day also you are giving the parent your parent, I would say 100 rupees. You are adding the same, you are adding the same container. Okay, multiple values you are adding the same container. So in that case you can go with assignment operator. Already which is holding already value is some, for example, which is already holding some 100 value, some 100 or some one value. You can take some one value, and again we are trying to add the value, which meaning x plus 1. So what will happen internally? X equal to x plus 1. Okay, this is the previous x, and we are again we are adding one value to the x, and both are we are showing. This process will be happen internally, but programmatically we will write like this. So this x is already holding some value. Again we are adding. Again we are adding new values. So that is how. So most of them are confusing in this area. Don't confuse. X is already holding the some value. X is already holding some value. Same x value for the same x value you are adding new values. So that's why you are mentioning x plus. Same container we are adding the new values. Some 5, some 10 like this. So that's why we will mention the x plus like this. X plus like this. Okay. So here also we'll be having the symbols are like we can add the daily. If the parents will give the daily, you can add. If some days your parents will not give the money, you can take the amount minus, and then addition. I would say multiplication, and then next thing is we have the equal also, equal plus minus multiplication, and next thing is we have the division and modulus. Division and modulus. Then what is the purpose of equals? What is the purpose of equals? So in the interview perspective, very frequent question they will ask is what is the difference between, I can say, what is the difference between single equals and double equals? What is the difference between single equals and double equals? This is very frequent question they will ask. Single equals meaning which is used to assign the value, and double equals which is used to comparison between two values. Okay, comparison between the two values. Okay, fine. So this is clear like about assignment operators. As assignment operator meaning we are assigning the values, we are giving the money, we are adding the money, which is called assignment. We are assigning the values already, which is already holding some value, and again we are assigning the values. So such cases will go with assignment operators. The same program I will write here. So here I can mention with the assignment operators. Okay, assignment operators. We have the symbols are like equals, and then we have the plus, minus, next multiplication, division, modulus. Got it right? So here I will take int, my kitty bag name is x1. Okay. Now I need to add the value. So I can mention x plus some 10 rupees. X equal to 10 rupees. Okay. So here what I am doing, adding the value to x container. X is already holding the already value. Okay. Now if I print system dot out dot println, system dot out dot println, if I mention the x, then in this case I can get the 11 as the output. Okay. Are you guys clear with my point? X is holding the already one. I am adding value is 10. Okay. Now once again what I will do, x plus, and here I will mention some 9 value equal to 9. Then in this case what is my result? What should I get the output? ఇక్కడ ఏమొస్తుంది? ఆ, ఇది కిడ్డీ బ్యాంకు. కిడ్డీ బ్యాంకులో ఫస్ట్ రూపాయి ఉంది. తర్వాత నేను 10 రూపాయలు యాడ్ చేశా, మొత్తం 11 రూపాయలు అయినాయి. మళ్ళీ 9 రూపాయలు యాడ్ చేశా, ఇప్పుడు నా బ్యాంకులో ఎంత ఉంది? 20 రూపీస్. మరి టోటల్ 20 రూపీస్. ఓకేనా? Similarly I can add again 10 rupees. I can add 10 rupees. Then total you have the 30. Total you have in your kitty bag 30 rupees. Okay. Now this is in addition. Sometimes I will take amount from the kitty bank also. So how can I take? So int minus some 5 rupees I will take. Int minus equal to some 5 rupees I will take. So then what may the result? 25. Why? Because my kitty bank is holding already 30 rupees. So from that I am taking 5 rupees. So I will get 25 as the output. Okay. Similarly, again I will take one more 5 rupees. One more time I will take the 5 rupees. Then 20 rupees. So my kitty bank is holding the 20 rupees. So simply I am copying this statement and then I am pasting here. My kitty bank now I have the 20 rupees. Okay, this is with respect to subtraction, and we'll see with respect to multiplication. Now my kitty bank is holding the 20 rupees, right? Now what I will do, I will multiply the number with 2. So simply you can into and then equal to, you can mention 2. Then what will happen? 2 into 20 into 2, it will become 40. 20 system dot out dot println and then x, and then this is the 40. This is the 40. And similarly with respect to division and with respect to modulus also, if I say x division sum 2, and then we can get the system. What you will get 20, and then with respect to modulus also, then what you will get 0. I'm taking this one. Okay, I'm taking this one. This is the 0. Got it right about assignment operators. So we can assume as the kitty bank, and daily you are adding some amount and you are withdrawing amount. So such case you can take as the example for the assignment operators. Okay, I'm saving the file, and then where the file is available, file location, you can go there, open the command prompt, you can compile the file. So Java say test.java, the file has compiled, and Java test. So for division purpose, here you can use the sysout statement. Yeah, here you can mention sysout statement. You can take the system.out statement, and you can mention here inside some dummy message. For understanding purpose, I'm passing some dummy message, right? Here I'm mentioning some assignment operators. Assignment operators. Okay. And then I'm saving this one, and then simply I'm going to my command prompt, Java say test.java, and then Java. If you see, these are belong to arithmetic operators, they are belong to assignment operators. Okay, 11, 20, 30, 25, 20, 40, 20, 0. Clear? Assignment operators is clear. Anyone have any queries in this area? No? This is clear. Next thing is we have the conditional statements generally. So we'll see about the conditional statements. Conditional statements we can call also relational statements. Third one is the conditional statements. We can say relational statements. Uh, Relational, or we can say conditional conditional statements. You can call with both names. Conditional statements. Okay, here we have the symbols are like greater than, greater than, greater than or equal to, next less than or equal to, and double equals to. Okay, these are the symbols where we have the relational operators. Okay, generally they will tell the, it will comparison between two operands actually, two operands. For example, 10 plus 20, if you take 10 and 20 is the operands. Okay, this one is the operator. Okay, these are used to comparison between two values, like uh, the number is, I would say, it will comparison between two values. So I will show you with some examples, will get. Also, relational operators always return the boolean value.